Mr. Benson Hlabangana was staying in Kopong before he was arrested. He was arrested sometimes in December, on the 11th of 2017. He faced the charge of unlawfully staying in the country. But however, he was charged with the wrong section. He was charged with section 20, which was then section 19. He was sentenced for 4 years, a maximum fine of 4,000. And basically, his aggregate sentence was 5 years, 6 months, to be exact. Well, the whole idea why we took his case was, we stumbled on it, in fact, through other ways, through other means. And, the major question was, why would you have an innocent man behind bars? Other people that might be guilty before the law walking the streets. A man who was separated away from his family and otherwise. I don't think there's anything bigger than that for an innocent man to be jailed for 8 years and otherwise. Well, pretty much that's it. Let's put it this way. It's quite aggravating. Liberty is a first generational right? That's provided for in the constitution of this country. We believe that as a country that subscribes to the rule of law, we're in the right cause. As attorneys, you are either obliged to take this kind of cases to ensure that whatever wrong that there is, to rectify whatever dent that might be there in the legal system. So it was only right. It was only right that this case was taken by us. You visit the prison facility, you consult there, and you have clients on occasions paying you for that cause. While looking at a case of an indigent man, we had nothing. We had no money at all. But in any other case, we took his case. We took his case. We spent hours going to prisons, hours coming out. I think we visited Mr. Hlabangana around 4 or 5 times in the prison facility before the matter was actually called and had. You can only imagine the attendance and the sacrifice that sometimes attorneys are subjected to